big ones right there.
There's an ant on that patty.
Oh no! That won't be good.
No, that's a fly. I just saw something.
What's up, guys? Here we are. Oh, you see what? Big frog?
Yeah.
Oh. We are cruising around today. Nice hot day outside, and we are enjoying a day at a state park here in Massachusetts. It's pretty.
We have found so many frogs. We have found a baby tadpole. We found two. They're like about that big of a frog. Right over there. No, 4 big of a frog.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell them like about like 8.
I'm gonna tell them the frog.
Okay, go ahead. Tell them. What are you gonna tell them?
I'm just so hungry. I'm eating
found
the baby.
one big frog.
Big one.
We found a little frog.
Lots of them, right?
We found another little frog.
Yeah.
And then we found a bunch more
Are you
frogs.
having some fun time?
But no fish yet, right? We tried to do a little fishing. No fish yet?
Yeah.
We only got 1 bite.
One bite, yeah. Oh, all right, let's check on these babies here. What's going on with them? Everyone,
Their baby crackers.
everyone's stealing the baby food.
We're so hungry. Curly, let me show you something. See if I can find one.
There's no more frogs. You scared both of them away over there.
Carter,
Frog.
Carter, what'd you find?
We found a little baby tadpole
Let's see.
right there. It has a big long tail.
And we've seen a lot of frogs. We've seen a lot of frogs.
And then there's 2 froggies over
Yeah,
there.
there's one over there, one over there.
I need to step off these rods. I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Careful, Ray.
Dad.
Yeah, bud.
The little froggies.
Wow, there's some big ones in here, isn't there, buddy? Ryan, don't get muddy. Ryan, you're in the mud, bud. There you go. Get out of there.
Daddy.
What?
But Dad, you catch the big froggy.
Catch the big froggy?
And then the sport.
No. Wow. What do you guys think? You guys want to walk around the other side of this and see what's on the other side?
Other side of where?
Over here. There's the twinsies hanging out.
Twinsies?
They're having a little fun.
What you guys doing?
They're having a play date.
What you guys doing?
They're having a play date.
Hey. What, bud? Hey.
One more time with the fishing net. We found another one over there.
Oh yeah, there's another one over there. There's two massive frogs over there.
I think that one's daddy, that one's mommy. Because that one was a little smaller.
And then there's a baby right there.
Daddy,
And then there's
honey,
2
that's
babies
frog.
right there. There's 3 babies
Yeah,
right
bud.
there. There's 3.
That's a
there's
big
triplets
frog.
right here.
That's a
And then
huge
there's
frog,
2
isn't it?
frogs over there.
Hey.
There's 2 frogs over there, and there's
Ryan, don't step out there, please. It's all mud.
But daddy,
What?
can you get frogs? Big like froggy.
Wait,
Can I get that big froggy?
no, you cannot step in the
Okay.
Carter, there's 4 frogs over here.
There's 4 babies, and then there's 1 big one there, and then there's another big one right
Carter,
there.
there's an ant on that patty.
Oh no! That won't be good.
No, that's a fly. I just saw.
Well, I just made it home from the park. It was a little hot out there, eh, buddy? So we got out of there, came home, and what's on the go now?
So what I'm gonna do, since some of my doll's hair, they're like super duper long, so I just cut them, and then Dad came in, so I'm gonna cut them one more time so I can show you guys.
What?
It's time to cut their hair.
So how do you do it, your hairdresser?
I don't really know. They have like these good seats. I've seen them on like YouTube videos, but I don't have any of those. So I'm just gonna do it like normal.
Okay. Oh, you hold it over the garbage and do it? Oh wow, that's quite the salon.
It doesn't have to be a perfect salon.
Oh, okay.
Are you setting something up a little bit
What?
better? Huh? What did you say? It's kind of thick, so I try to make it as level as I can. See how this is lower?
Mm-hmm.
You cut it to be a little lower. And if you need to move your hand and you don't feel comfortable where it is. So this was the section that was trying a little bit too good, so I'm just trying to trim it.
Let's
So maybe I think that's good for her.
yeah, let's see. See how you did. Wow, look at that.
Look at the top, it's super duper short.
Nice
It's so
layers.
pretty.
She got nice layers.
I was gonna dye her hair, but Mom said I can't.
What? Alright, wow.
That was a little unusual how I thought it turned out. What does that look? That looks pretty good, right?
Yeah.
It is not the best.
Alright.
Let's see, it doesn't listen.
Cool.
Now what am I gonna do? Oh no, the baby. She's quiet. That means
And what's going on in here? What's going on in here? You guys playing with your toys? You guys playing with your toys?
they love their time. Alright, what are we doing now?
We are hanging out, playing some games, huh?
Hey,
Where's your toys?
what are you doing over there?
Where's your toys?
Let's give her a cow person.
Where's your toys?
Cow. Here, take this one.
Hey, you gonna fold some laundry over there? Hey, you gonna fold some laundry over there? What's going on, guys?
We're doing cool things. So you see how there's like all of these cracks in the driveway?
Yeah.
We decided to color them and pull different
No, we're
colors.
tracing them.
Yeah, we're going in, try to get like really good inside the cracks.
Yeah.
And like try to like do some of these and like try to get in the
Look
cracks.
at mine over here, guys.
Alright.
Look at mine over here, guys. And there's some ants trying to like spot out what we're doing. They're basically what we're trying to do.
This is all mine.
Like
Yeah, that's a
ant
cool design, bud.
tunnels, so,
You gonna help, Rye?
ant paths. Yeah, I think we should call them ant paths.
Yeah, Pat.
Because they're kind of cool for like ants to like crawl like through all the paths.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see some different colors connect to each other to lead to different places. Yeah, look at mine.
That's
Mine
kind of
are
a cool-
kind of connecting. I like I thought of this idea, like what should I draw with chalk? And then I saw these cracks and I was like, I'm just gonna color in the grass. And then
Good
I
idea.
Told the boys to
Look at the
come
crack Ryan's coloring. It looks like a face.
see. Yeah. It looks like an alien. I did this orange. I did the green. I did
Yeah.
most of it. Crew has been over there for hours.
Mhm.
Look. I've been over. I was over here first, and then I went all the way over here, and I'm working on this color. It's kind of like a pink. Look, the mine.
That's good, bud.
I just found a really bright orange. Wasn't I just? Harder! Some of mine are connecting to the towel. Like this one and this. Should I try to draw the ABCs? That would take forever. I can draw ABC. Guys, come here. I have another idea. A. Alright, look at this. You see these? How they're kind of like an I shape?
Oh.
I do
ABC.
Like this and a little.
Look, guys, I
this.
did ABC.
Nice, cool. That's good.
Here. I do a little bit of this, a little bit of this. Guys, if you hear that thunder, there's a huge storm right over there.
Dad, look.
So we're gonna try to
Yeah.
do this fast so maybe we can go inside.
Look on this side.
Oh, looks good, bud.
And there's even these little black lines that we can color too.
Guys, I know how to draw the number 4.
That's me. Oh, look, it's 5.
Nice, squirrel.
And I am this age.
That's me.
It's a 6.
What are you drawing, Ryan?
And I'm 5.
I'm 5. I have my birthday.
We did the
Wow, listen to that thunder.
That was a big thunder. Thunder.
no.
Dad?
Looking, could be.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just got another great idea. We can color these sticks. Yeah, rainbow! And then what you can do is this will be like, see, look how cool they look.
Oh, it's awesome, bud.
See how it's kind of bendy? We just have to like smush the ends, kind of, and kind of bend it. Kind of like ruin the ends of it. These are like bendy, weird thingies. Like this, we kind of just try to like kind of like braid it, but not like fully braid it. Guys, look at my blue one. Just trying to
Oh, yeah, bud.
braid it like this, and then we can hold this, and then it'll be like something like that. Look at this. But if you want a shorter one, they are good to also like bend and go. And if you want, where you stop bending it, like right here, it's going to take a while to break. Oh, you know, in my mouth. No, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy. What's this?
Oh, careful.
Dad.
Yep.
Dad, I'm going to draw an alien.
Yep. Crew's feeling it. How's your mouth, buddy?
Good.
Yeah. Crew had a little accident on his bike, right, buddy?
Yep.
But he was wearing a helmet, so that was a smart decision, eh, buddy?
Yep. But it didn't work as well as he thought it would work.
Well, it could have been worse.
Let me tell you what happened.
Next time I get a helmet,
I'm
gonna make sure it doesn't
say
tell
crash. So, Daddy was pushing the twins into that same stroller and they fell asleep. Were they sleeping when you were doing this?
Nope.
They
I was just holding. I wasn't pushing them. I was carrying. I was carrying Garen.
I wrote a blue alien. So,
yeah.
Daddy was taking care of the babies. Dad was holding one of them. Daddy was on the phone, and then Crew went right over here. He was like this. On the bike. He took a really sharp turn, and his face went boom, and he smacked his head on here. And then Dad came running over on the phone, holding one baby. Goes like this, and carries him, grabs him on the shoulder. Daddy!
It's a pretty good story for not being out here.
Actually,
Yeah.
Dad wasn't holding a baby.
Oh, it fell right there.
Yeah, and then he hit his head, which just talking about it makes my head hurt.
Yeah. He's a tough guy. Yep.
I just got an idea, guys. Come here.
Guys, did you know I drew? I drew the winking emoji.
This is what makes my foot. My feet are hot.
Oh yeah. You gotta be careful. You may have stepped on a rock.
My butt.
Ground hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
What about someone for it? Guys, I drew the number. And then I was holding out here, and then I stepped on the scissors.
Cool.
Oh man, I missed. We broke chalk.
So, all right, guys. Well, that is the end of this episode with us.
And everyone is in the way of me doing my homework. Yay!
We're doing a little work now. We had fun going to the state park and playing at home in the driveway and doing lots of chalk art. We should do some more chalk art videos.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, we don't cracks on the driveway. We traced them.
Like little veins. But anyways, good day. Hope you guys had fun following along. What should the people do that watch this?
Daddy, I know the perfect thing.
What?
Smash that subscribe button.
What do you think they should do, Ryan?
Make a big song.
Make a big shark.
Make sure to smash that subscribe button.
Like button.
Like button, whatever you
And what
call
else,
it.
crew?
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
And hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button.
Yep.
Smash the like button and turn on notifications.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Woo!
Bye.